Linking your bank account to Biz2Credit is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances effectively. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create or log into your Biz2Credit account. Visit the Biz2Credit website and either create a new account by providing your details or log in using your existing credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the bank account linking section. Once logged in, look for the section dedicated to linking bank accounts. This is usually found in the dashboard or account settings. Step 3. Enter your bank account information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, you may need to verify your account. This could involve confirming small deposits made by Biz2Credit into your bank account or using another verification method. Step 5. Review and confirm the link. Once verified, review all the information you've entered to ensure it is correct. Confirm the linking process to finalize the connection between your bank account and Biz2Credit. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to Biz2Credit, allowing for seamless financial management. If you encounter any issues, consult Biz2Credit as support resources for assistance.